Hey, what's up, Herd? It's Monday, November 25th. My name is Aaron, and this is your market update. We got some interesting things going on in the charts, a lot of volatility going into the holiday weekend, so let's get on into it. Bitcoin has come down from $99,000, 472, all the way to as low as $94,989 in just a couple of days. That is almost $5,000 worth of movement in the charts, guys, and I do think people panicked over the weekend, but I'm not surprised that that has happened considering how much we ran up over the last couple of weeks, guys. After the election, we ran up 45% to the all-time high of about 99,500, and since then have only dropped down about 4.5%, which is actually quite healthy, guys. I do think this is due to some long liquidations. Looking at the liquidation heat map here, we took out major longs around 97,000 and also around 95,000. Coming back up currently, we had some liquidity in the neighborhood of 96,000, some shorts that we just took out, guys. I would love to see us get back to 99,000, taking out this massive pocket of short liquidity, guys, and I do think this will skyrocket us above $100,000 if we can get here in the next couple of days. And if we can't do that, guys, we are rolling over in the money flow, and I do think we could come down as low as about $89,000. That would be a nice area of support. That is our major pocket of buy and sell pressure that we had just a couple of weeks ago. But in general, I do think this holiday weekend will bring a lot more retail back into crypto, sending the price likely over $100,000 in the next couple weeks at the latest. Ethereum up 2.8% this morning, has been as high as 3,532. One thing I want to call your attention to is the ETH to BTC chart. We have created a very nice bottom here, which actually went below historic levels, which actually wicked below the trend line that we have set since basically the beginning of this chart, guys. All the way back in 2017 is where this started, this trend line of massive support for the price of ETH in relation to Bitcoin. We bounced off of this in January of 17, again in September of 19 and January of 20. And guys, we just bounced off of it on November 18th of 2024. And I'm expecting it to come back to this line in January. So we could see a pump through the holiday season, guys, and then a dump back down, leading to the next bull run in the price of ETH versus Bitcoin in 2025. My targets for this price, guys, the ETH versus Bitcoin price is actually back to about 0.08, which would be an increase of 120% ETH versus Bitcoin. In the last 7 days, we have seen ETH pump 10%, while Bitcoin only went up 4.5%. And then we've seen some really big bounces for some legacy coins as well, like XRP doing 20%, Doge doing 10%, Cardano 32%, Avalanche another 22%, and even a legacy coin, Stellar Lumens, doing a 99% in the last 7 days. Other legacy coins like Polkadot, Chainlink, and Bitcoin Cash are even pumping, guys. This is a clear sign that retail is coming back to the market, getting onto Coinbase and buying coins that they have seen in previous cycles do multiples. It's especially important at this time period to be each one teaching one about the elephant money ecosystem, as most of these legacy coins like Polkadot will go even further down than their last cycle lows in the bear market. So get them into Trunk and our NFTs throughout this next year. BNB had a nice pump over the weekend, getting all the way back up to nearly $700, currently sitting at $647, taking a nice little pullback now, but I do think will go up with the price of ETH. Solana went to new all-time highs on Friday, getting up to 266, currently at 243. Whale money is flowing out of this, though I do expect a significant bounce to happen very soon. SWI is back down to $3.30. Now would be a great time to get into it if you did miss out on the SWI bounce the first time we called this out, around $1.70. Whale money flow has come out of this significantly, though I do expect this to bounce as well in the next couple of days. Getting into the elephant money ecosystem, guys, we're sitting right on top of the 21 EMA right now. After taking a moonshot last week, we have corrected down to 17 cents, but I do think we'll see a turnaround soon, especially if we get the futures to unlimited contract launched this week or next week. Elephant also above the EMA and the simple moving average currently, and I would love to see a pump here out of Elephant. Whale money flow is coming back to its point where it usually jumps, and so we should see a pump in Elephant soon. Make sure to get into our Telegram, guys. There has been some new announcements, especially the staking blacklist for any unlimited NFTs that have been sold in third-party markets. This is starting to happen, guys. And if you're selling your NFTs on Tofu Market, guys, those buying those will not be able to stake those in the new contract. So you might as well unlist them now and get ready to get them into the new 2.0 marketplace. And last but not least, make sure to get your Trunk tokens back to the BNB chain if they're not here already. Make sure to start staking them in the Trumpet contract, as the price of Trumpet has jumped in the last couple of weeks, guys, getting ready for this new Futures to Unlimited 2.0 contract release that will send the price of Trunk to Trumpet to the moon. With that, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content just like this. Have a great Thanksgiving, guys. We'll see you in the next one. God bless.